I want to just give a quick walkthrough of how to access the computer through the virtual desktop, and in particular, how to use that client with VPN. Okay, so here, let me share my screen. Good, so when you go to view.truman.edu, you get two options. This one over here is just opens up a desktop inside your web browser, and it actually works great in lots of situations. But if you are having trouble accessing it, or if you would like something that might run a little bit faster on your computer, you can download this VMware software. This works with VPN, and I made another video to talk about VPN, although it's just software you download, to talk about that. So when you click on that, what it does is it opens up a whole new browser, and it's inside this separate client app. And so if you think of an app on your phone, it's just like that. It runs separately from your browser on your computer. When you get in to it, you'll see that it has a desktop that looks just like the other one. And in fact, if you maximize it, it will kind of adjust itself to fill the whole screen. When you do that, it's a little bit confusing because now what's here is not your computer. What's here now is the new one, and you can see all my little apps that I had open, including the virtual desktop, has disappeared because now this is the whole thing. So now you can click on your browser and open it up. You do have to log in every time separately, and then go through Google Classroom, get that opened up. When we are starting to do labs together, I try to post them a couple different ways. If you're on this virtual desktop, you can actually go into the U drive and get the files that way, which you can do from the little folder, and then you click on computer, and then you click on student files, and then you click on empty student file area because I'm in math sciences, and then my name is Albert, and then this is stat 220. And you can see that inside this folder are all of the labs. And if you get the RMD file, you can open that or copy that directly to your computer to do, or to your Y drive, I should say. It's actually a little bit annoying to copy things. You can actually put a flash drive into your computer and move things straight from the virtual desktop to your machine. Anyway, it might be easier for you to run things as through the virtual machine. It might be easier for you to download R directly. If you have any trouble accessing R one way or the other, you can let me know, and we'll take care of it. All right.